Yeah, hello, yeah. So welcome you all to my phone screen. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah. So today I'm here to introduce you to a new coin, new arbitrage opportunity. Yeah. So you have to follow the steps well if you want to benefit from it. Only if you know the app well. Yeah. But before we start, on the 26th of this month, I have a class coming up. That is Crypto Arbitrage Beginners class. Yeah, and I have the link in the description. And if you're watching me from TikTok, it's in the bio and it's going out for just $10. Just purchase your ticket and join me on the 26th of this month, and let's do it. And if you also want to join my mentorship, that one is yearly mentorship. You can also DM me and we talk about it. Yeah. So today you'll be using Solana and stuff. So as a beginner, you need Bybit. Yeah, so if you don't have Bybit, I have the link in the description. Download Bybit. Yeah, download Bybit with my link and get 10% bonus for your first deposit. Yeah. So when you open your Bybit, first of all, since you're a beginner, you have to buy USDT first. So we have to go to your P2P here and you go and buy your USDT. In most of my previous videos, I always show you how you can buy USDT. But if you don't know how to buy it, you can chat me. I will show you, guide you how you can buy USDT because we use USDT pairs to do it. Yeah. So you can buy any one like this one. If you're buying one USDT, you'll be spending 12.11 Ghana cedis to get one USDT. Yeah. So after buying it, then you come to your market. The market. Yeah. So we are dealing with Solana here. So over here, Solana is 166 USDT. And one thing is, you'll be buying it from the regulated platform and you will sell it on the black market platform. That's how we do it. Yeah. And I've already checked and see the three methods I always see. So before you initiate the trade, you have to check these three things. When these three things are conk or are positive, yeah, you can initiate your trade. Yeah. So currently over here, Solana is 166. So I'll just click on the buy here to buy 100 USDT worth of Solana. So it means that if I spend 100 USDT, I'll be getting 0.599 Solana. I'll be in 0.599 Solana. Yeah. So in order for me to do this, I have to check Solana. So let me check Solana fee. So Solana fee over here. So network fee for Solana is 1.33. So it means that every transaction that you make per trade, they will deduct you 1.33 as a fee. So you have to write 1.33 down and deduct your profit that you'll be making out of 1.33 and see if you are still making profits per trade. Yeah, so if you are cool with that, you can initiate the trade. So I'll go to buy here and go buy 100. I'll be getting 0.599. Yeah, so I'll close it and open the cryptocurrency exchange. That's the black market. Yeah. So in this case, I'll switch from here to Solana. But you can input there, but I want to show you more. They have more coins over here. They have more coins, so I'll choose Solana here. So Solana, I'm having Solana fault. I'm having 0.59, right? 0.59. So I'll just come here, enter 0.59. So 0.59 0.5999. Yeah. So if I transfer the money to the converter and convert 0.599, I'll be getting 112.6515. So it means that I've made 12.6. It's still reading. I'm saying it's still reading 12.719 right now. So the 12.719 is my profit right now. Then I'll deduct the 1.33 from it. So if I deduct 1.33, it means that I'll be making 11.4 USDT as my profit. So every trade I'll be making so every trade I'll be making 11.3 as profit. So if I'm able to initiate 10 trades, I'm making 113 USDT on $100 accounts every day. I'm making 113 on every 113 on profit on every day. You see, and one thing is, at times you initiate a trade and the next trade will be higher or smaller. Depends on the market, because the market always move long and short. It's always moving long and short. So you can do a trade right now and maybe the next trade will be in a long, so it means that you'll be making a lot of profit out of it. You see that thing? Yeah. So if you're able to do 10 trades every day, you're making 113 because I've already deduct the fee from it. The fee was 1.33 USDT. So I've already deducted it from it. So this is your profit, and I've multiplied it by 10. That means 10 times every day you're making 113. But the black market also comes with some rules and regulation that if you don't know, you will not understand. So you always have to know the rules and regulation about the black market as well. Yeah, that's what I normally teach you, and I will also tell you, yeah, to do this and that. Yeah. So you can do it and repeat it and repeat it and repeat it, but it have limits. And the limits, if you sign up for the mentorship, I will show you the limits. It have limits. We don't do it. If you don't have a limit, people will be doing 20 times a day, 30 times a day. So that thing. And people chat me that they want the black market platform, and if I tell them to bring $40 for the black market, they think like I'm greedy, I'm selfish and stuff. No, bro, it's not easy for you to get the black market. And the black market, we also subscribed. Yeah, it's not just for free. It's a subscribe platform. So the $40, we use some to subscribe for you so that you use it unlimited. So don't think that the $40 that we charge for your black market, that money you'll be chopping it. No, we use it to subscribe the platforms for you so that you enjoy it unlimited. Yeah. After verification, we have to do subscription. Or maybe you'll be using it, and later if you open it, it will not open. It's like that. So we have to subscribe for you. Yeah. So that's how it is. And the bot too is still active. If you want the bot too, it's still active over there. Yeah. So this is how you do your trade, and it's very simple. It's very, very simple. You can see I'm tired. I want to sleep, but I just want to do this for you. And always, if you are buying this thing, don't put it in on limit. Okay, if it's on this platform, you can put it on limit. But if it's on the black market platform, put it on market order or limit order. But at times, the market order go fast than the limit order. Yeah, I'm very tired. Hey, I'm very tired. Yeah. So this how you do your arbitrage trading. And if you have any question, you can put it in the comment section and I will answer you. I always answer your questions. Yeah, so thank you for watching me, and I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out.